him, but now also that seed of doubt starts to grow inside the minds of Ents. They're still close. Snappy, here's the drop. It's an insta-kill in from Dexter, but that second cat player comes through, and Sampaius has bested Torsi.
Please, baby.
2 versus 2. It was meant to be man advantage. It was meant to be Maus.
No, John De Castro.
He didn't see
he didn't see him.
JDC slides through and still that headshot's clean. JDC wraps back around Arch. Madden prepared for that. Sampaius alive all the while. 20 seconds, and JDC again with the element of surprise slides through sight, gets the rifle.
17 HP, 10 seconds remaining.
10 seconds.
John De Castro.
JDC
John De Castro.
trying to figure out where and when Sampaius strikes
5
next.
seconds. Why would you do that?
Plant front sight. 4 seconds left. Sampaius is still quiet. This whole time, JDC is so scared, but now he knows. He finds that kill, gets the first for Maus.
Sampaius jumps and gifts one to JDC.